Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2173 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your engine's air and fuel mixture, and if left unresolved, it can affect engine performance, fuel economy, and drivability. What does P2173 mean? P2173 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, high airflow detected. In simple words, the ECU has detected more airflow entering the engine than expected while the throttle system is being controlled. This means the amount of air entering the engine does not match what the ECU is commanding. As a result, the engine computer may struggle to maintain the correct air-fuel mixture. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2173, you may notice: check engine light on, high or unstable idle speed, engine hesitation, poor acceleration, reduced fuel economy, rough engine operation, and sometimes the vehicle may enter reduced power mode. In some cases, the engine may idle higher than normal even when your foot is off the accelerator. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The throttle body is located between the air intake tube and the intake manifold. The throttle actuator and throttle position sensors are usually integrated into the throttle body assembly. The mass airflow sensor, also known as the MAF sensor, is typically installed in the air intake duct between the air filter box and throttle body. The intake system and vacuum hoses should also be inspected because they can contribute to this code. The most common causes of P2173 include vacuum leaks, dirty throttle body, faulty throttle actuator, faulty throttle position sensor, faulty MAF sensor, damaged air intake duct, loose intake connections, or ECU issues in rare cases. A vacuum leak is one of the most common causes because it allows extra air to enter the engine without being measured. Quick diagnosis: start by checking for vacuum leaks around the intake system. Inspect all vacuum hoses and intake duct connections. Check the throttle body for carbon buildup. Scan live MAF sensor and throttle position data. Inspect wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion, and compare sensor readings with manufacturer specifications. How to fix P2173. Repair vacuum leaks, clean the throttle body, replace damaged intake hoses, repair faulty wiring, replace a faulty MAF sensor if necessary, replace the throttle body if testing confirms failure, clear the code and perform a complete road test. Final result: fixing P2173 will restore proper airflow control, improve engine performance, stabilize idle speed, improve fuel economy, and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.